Hello everybody. So today we're going to expand on the metric modulation exercise that I did a little while ago, where we're going to create a fake group of 3, or a fake pulse of 3. So the original exercise was we're going to be doing bass drum on 1 and 3, snare drum on 2 and 4. So just 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now our regular drum beat, we're going to do just 8th notes. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now what we're going to do to modulate or create this feeling of 3 is we're going to accent every third note. In fact, I'm only going to play every accented third note. So it's going to be 16th notes. So it'll be 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and etc. So it's that fake 3 formula that we did. The number, the and, the E. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E, and then it would be 4 the so on and so on. It takes 3 measures to get back to 1 comfortably. So let's try that modulation first, and then I'll show you the variation, which is cool. So here's what we've done before, but here it is. Ready? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 E and 1 E. Back to this. 3, 4. Back to 1. The second time I played it on a floor tom just so you can hear different variation on that. So I'll play it on the hi-hat one more time, and then I'll show you the variation. So here it goes again. Regular beat into the modulated 3. So and then we're back. So once again, it's 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. So that's that. Now here's what we're going to do with that. Take the same idea, playing just the accents every third note on 16th notes, every third 16th note. But what we're going to do is we're going to play the bass drum and snare drum are going to shift those also. So it's going to be unison with your hand. So instead of your bass drum and snare drum keeping this steady over the, it's going to match. So, and what's going to happen is we're going to change feels completely, and it's going to sound like we just maybe sped up, but we didn't. So let's show you that, and then so you could just hear it, because it's actually hard to understand unless you hear it. So let's hear it. Ready? I'll play it on the ride cymbal. So here it goes. So regular beat, and then we're going to modulate, but this time we're going to add the bass drum, snare drum in unison with the hand. So it's going to go 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. And at any point you can jump out. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2. Now it sounds weird, right? It does sound weird. Let's put our quarter note back in with our left foot so that we have something to grab onto with the old feel, and then the new feel imposed on top of that. So here's where the magic happens. So here it goes. Ready? So it's going to be. And you can jump out at any point. Notice my tempo didn't change. This stayed steady. I didn't speed up, but it sounded like it. One more time. Ready? Back on 1. I'll play it on the practice pad so you can hear that. So my cymbal is now the practice pad. Ready? Once again, completely weird feel, but I didn't speed up. So that's a cool little trick you can do. That's part 1, or I guess part 2, because of the modulation without that variation. So basically all we're doing is changing from keeping the quarter note from 1, 2, 3, 4 to joining along with that. You could do this if you're modulating groups of 5s. You can put that pulse in there too. And it gives the illusion that you're speeding up or changing when actually you're still in that box, even though it sounds like you stepped outside for a little bit. Anyway, if that makes sense to you, Fantastic. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. And we'll explore a little bit different pattern of this next time I see you. Any questions, concerns, you let me know. All right, bye-bye.